Hello guys, welcome to Jay Shri Prati channel. So today we are gonna see how we are going to create a simple application in Pega. We are going to create a framework and an implementation application. So once you have installed Pega, right, you will be logging in to the Pega with the default ID password, which is nothing but administrator@pega.com. Password is install, all small. So I'm gonna log in now. So now we've logged in. So switch to the Dev Studio, which I've already done. If you click on top, you'll see 3 or 4 studios. So we'll always be working from the Dev Studio. So now for simple application creation, go to the Pega platform application, click on new application. So here I have many frameworks created. So let us create a new framework. So first we will build a framework, click on custom. So go for use this application type. So go for any organization name. I'm going for XYZ. So yeah, XYZ FW, fine. So I'm going for advanced configuration. Don't click on create application. So in the advanced configuration, what you have to do, you will have to specify few values. Select framework because we are going to create a framework application. Application ID will be auto populated. So organization name, just change it to XYZ. Division and unit, leave it as it is. Once again, if you click, you see in the class structure the organization name also changes. So just save it and click on create application. So why we go for the framework is basically we'll be having some reusable functionalities like send email functionality, like a few other sections which are reusable across the organizations, or like take for instance any reusable rule you will be putting in the framework. So even in interviews they'll ask you what is a framework and what is an implementation. So you can say like the framework is for creating or like storing the reusable rules, and the implementation is for specific or like generic functionalities. So now once you got it, you can log off. Don't log off 1 minute. You can give any ID like I am giving like XYZ@FW, meaning like it's the organization framework operator ID. So you can add it. Click on add. It will generate the default ID password for the first time login. Just copy it in a notepad. So now log off and login. So once you log off, you will see the login screen, but this time log in with the ID password which Pega had provided you. It's XYZ@FW. So yeah. So we are logging into the framework now. And the password would be whatever you copied from the Pega generated value, the same password. Click on login. So you will get an option to change your password. There enter the old password. In the current password tab, enter your old password. And here you go for rules. I am typing RULES, which is the password which I am using. Yeah, once you confirm, you can click on change password. It will take you to the framework login screen. Yeah, once again switch to Dev Studio. Yeah, now we have landed into the framework application. If you see on top, the application is XYZ FW framework. Thank you. We'll see the next class how to create an implementation from this XYZ framework. Thank you guys.